Hello guys, today in this video I will pretty much just be giving you a basic example on how to make a scrolling game in Scratch. A very simple example, probably the simplest way that you can make a scrolling game. As you can see, I am walking away from these two trees, not any weird way, so yeah, let's get into the video. So yeah, pretty much as you can see, there's not a lot to it. So I'm just gonna save this. And make a new one. So you start out with just the basic Scratch Cat. And first off I'm just going to make a backdrop. And I'm going to make it so it fits into a perfect size. There goes some nice looking grass. So next, I'm just going to make a simple tree. So next, I've just made my tree, and next we are going to script it so that it scrolls. But first we need to make something else important. We need to make the border. Otherwise you'd still be able to see the object when you've gone to a different area. And then let's fit this border to the screen. And if we do this now, you can still see nothing happens. There's no one green flag clicked. So you don't need to script that, but with the tree, you want to make sure that the border is at the front. So you could just do a forever and I go to front script. But anyway, yeah. So this next part is a little bit confusing. You need to do if down arrow pressed, change Y by 10. When up arrow key pressed, and then grab another change Y by and set that to a minus 10. So, wait, oh sorry, I'm doing it in the wrong thing. Just because I'm lazy, I'm just going to drag that to the tree. So as you can see now, that looks like I'm going up, and it looks like I'm going down. So, yeah. Now, next what we want is, if right arrow key pressed, change X by minus 10. And when left arrow key pressed, I'm just going to change X by 10. So now you should have something that looks like along the lines of this. A simple looking RPG game. If you really want to, you can add animations. For now I'm just going to do some quick animations. That should. So yeah, now my Scratch Cat is moving in a background with a tree. And as you can see, the tree just moves. So yeah. if I move the border for a second, I'll show you what happens behind here, unless, so yeah, look, you would still be able to see the tree. The border does actually do a lot. So yeah, with the border there, it hides the positions. So this is just the simplest way to make a scrolling game. There is obviously a lot better ways. In this way. But eventually, there will be new ways. So yeah, this is just a simple way to code if you're new with coding, and a lot of games have been made with scrolling like this, an RPG game, so I hope this tutorial helped, guys. Thank you for watching, like, subscribe, and goodbye.